Yeah, came at 17. Damn. Give me my money. Give me my money.
About comprehensions. Now, what are comprehensions? Okay, so comprehensions mean writing a code in precise manner, means writing it in one line or a very good manner. Okay, that is basically comprehensions. Suppose, means let us take example of list comprehensions, right? Suppose if I make a list, and which takes input. Okay, sorry, which makes a list of first 100 numbers, right? So what I will do is, for I in range 101, right? I will what I will do is, now suppose if I want all the numbers from 1 to 100 which are divisible by 5, so I can give a condition as well, right? If I huh, uh, divided by 5 equals to remainder is 0, if when I is divided by 5 remainder is 0. Now what I will do is yield sorry L1 dot append, right? What I will do, L1 dot append, and there will be I inside it, right? Now if I print L1, here you can see it has printed all the numbers which are divisible by 5, or all the numbers when divided by 5 give 0 as a remainder. Now suppose I want to write it in one line, means then comes our list comprehension. What I will do, I will create L2 equals to. Now what we have to do is, first what we have to take variable I, right? That will be there. Now we can write for I in range, let's take 101 for I in range 101. Now if you want to give the condition, we can give it as well. If I when divided by 5 gives remainder 0, now I think that's it. If I divided by 5 equals to 0. Now if I print L2, and now if I run the program, sorry, no, now if I run the program, I started debug, stop and rerun. Now here you can see it has printed L2, which is same as L1. Both the programs are same. Let me just both the programs are same, but one is written in somewhat better fashion, right? And this is list comprehension. We can also make a dictionary, and dictionary also has dictionary comprehensions. Now how we make a dictionary? First let us norm dictionary, DICT. My C key is very bad. And what we will do is, suppose we want a dictionary which has input as, which has key 1, suppose it starts from 0, and value is L, and then it is, suppose value is 0, L0, and the next key will be 1, and the value is L1, right? And the third will be set 2 and the value will be L2 and so on. Suppose we want to print a dictionary like that. Now one way is we can write all the way through till 100, right? And when we print, sorry, not NORM, it will print it normally, right? Wait, uh, what? Why? 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 What is something that is left out? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Here, I think I don't know how it got deleted, but the print bracket was deleted. There was no problem in the syntax. So here you can see it has printed the dictionary. Now suppose I want the numbers till 100. What now? Suppose if I want till 100. Now I can do what I can do is create a comprehension, right? Now I the variable and what it will having L and here wait a minute, something is let us, I think we need to give f string, right? L and there will be I inside it. Now we have to define it for I in range, let's just take 5. Now if I print advdacity and now if we run the program, here you can see it has printed all the values and key values as well, right? Now I think what else can I do, can we do? Yeah, there are now suppose means we can use this in generators as well, and sets also we can use it, but sets and list both syntax are same, and that's pretty much it for today. Thank you.